Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kelly. I'm here with my beautiful friend Miss Dion, and she is here today because I'm going to slay and play with her face. She is going to be my representation for, you know, a smooth caramel brown sister. So, you know, let's just jump right into it. I don't have a particular look that we're gonna do today, but I do know that we're gonna use some gold glitter for the eyes, and that's all I fucking know. But let's go ahead and start it out. She's already been prepped, she's already been primed. We use the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect for her primer, and then for color corrector we use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in this orange salmon color, and I've already buffed that out and everything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to foundation, and for foundation we're using the Fenty Beauty in the shade 390. So I already got some here on my flat top, and this is what it looks like. I feel like it's more like water-based a little bit. And this is like 2.5 pumps, if you guys can see, with this foundation. So it's kind of a thinner based foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and start buffing and blending that into her motherfucking skin. So I'm just gonna dot it all around. Make sure that you get everywhere. Make sure that you prime really, really well, especially on the nose. I'm gonna go ahead and start blending this out. Okay guys, so we're back. We have blended out all that motherfucking Fenty foundation. It is fully blended out. So we're gonna move on to concealer for Miss Dion. And today for concealer, I'm actually gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. Y'all do not come for me. Do not fucking come for me, you guys. But I felt like this was the right thing to do. I want to slay, and this is what y'all know. Y'all know the Tarte slays, okay? And this is what I'm going to use for her concealer. I love Tarte. The wand is so big. If you guys still haven't got Shape Tape, come on, get with the program. I know Tarte fucked up the other month. Everyone's pissed off, but this Shape Tape, there's like no denying it, guys. There's like no fucking denying it. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my flat top with a little bit of setting spray, and then we're gonna blend this out. Hey guys, so we're back. That concealer is all blended out. Miss Dion has a nice, cute little smile. So for baking and setting powder today, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup, but I'm also going to mix the Black Radiance translucent banana powder. So I got a little mixture here for you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on Miss Dion's high places, so we can go ahead and set that concealer. We're gonna make sure that we get her, you know, laugh lines really, really well, so those can be set. Put a little bit more powder in here. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of her face too, while we're at it. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to contour and everything like that, and we will be back very fucking soon. Hey guys, so we're back. Look at Miss Dion though. Doesn't she look so fucking cute? Already, we got the contour done, you know, we got the brows done, you know, everything like that. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the blush. Today for blush, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. palette in dark. And this is what it looks like here. So for her, I'm actually gonna use this shade here, like a mixture of these two. I would use these two for my deeper skin, but I'm gonna use the lighter ones for her. I'm just gonna mix them up a little bit. Pop that on your cheek. Okay, so for eyeshadow today, I'm gonna use my Morphe 39A palette. And the first shade that we're gonna go into is, it's called Vibrant. And I hope you guys can see it, it's right there. It's kind of like a sunset. Ooh. Hey guys, so we're back. I went ahead and added a few different shadows for my Morphe 39A palette onto Miss Dion's eyes. I added this shade here called Vibrant. I also added this purple shade, and then I also added this shade on the outer crease. And then for the middle of her eyelid, directly on her lid, I got that all over my finger. But directly on her eyelid, I'm gonna add this glitter from Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this directly on the lid. So I'm gonna go ahead, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and tug it down first. Hey guys, so we're back. I mean, everything is done pretty much. We're just gonna hit the lips up. I just need for Miss Dion to go forward and to show them what everything is looking like. I added the gold glitter on her lid. I added some highlight all over her face. Yeah, okay. Okay, Miss Dion. Okay, Miss Dion, serving. Okay, so now for the lips today, I'm using this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Patina. So I'm just gonna put that on her lip. I already lined it kind of with a light berry color. Okay, lean in, Miss Dion, and let the motherfucking people see how you're looking, like what things are. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. All right. I'm just, you know, we just had to let y'all know real quick. We just had to let y'all know. So y'all know the drill. Miss Dion is done. I got my Wet n Wild setting spray right here. Okay, and we're gonna hit her face up, and then we're gonna do a cute little reveal. All right, and if you happen to love this video, give me a thumbs up. Like, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let us know what you think about this look, and let's get into it. Let's spray that face down.